Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching how to make this lovely chicken salad. So I have got some spring onions here and I'll be using some cabbage and carrots, chicken and some other yummy ingredients for our salad dressing. So the first step is very simple. You're just going to be slicing your cabbage into small pieces. Feel free to grate the cabbage if you find that much easier. I like this method because I like the size of the cabbage to be this way. I really enjoy my salads with a bit of texture. So I've sliced all my cabbage. I'm just going over just to cut any large pieces. So that is done. We're just going to be putting this into the bowl and then we're going to set this aside and continue preparing our other salad ingredients. So the spring onions, you're just going to cut this up into really small pieces. You can also use onions, just maybe about quarter of a small onion, because the flavors of onions are quite strong, so you don't want too much in there. So now we're going to just be grating our carrots. I just do this straight into the bowl as it's so much easier. So now all our carrots have been grated. We're just going to set this aside and prepare our salad dressing. So in our salad dressing, I'm going to be using pink peppercorns. They are very fruity in taste and they have a white pepper sort of taste, which is really delicious. So I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You can add more if you like, because we are team fit farm. We are going to not be using so much of that, and I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. And then we're going to add about half a teaspoon of white pepper. And And then here we're just adding in about 1/4 teaspoon of Cameroun pepper. This is quite hot, so you don't want too much in there. I am just going to be crushing the pink peppercorns so that I can add that into the salad dressing. So it's now crushed, and I'm just going to add that in. It has such a gorgeous color. I was really surprised at the taste and how fruity it was. It's really, really nice sort of taste. Just mix this up thoroughly to incorporate all the ingredients. And we're just going to be having a taste test to make sure all our ingredients are balanced. Very important point, guys. Always taste your food while you cook. So here's our chicken. It's been boiled and roasted, and then I dunked them again inside the stock from the chicken. It just makes it extra yummy. That's how you can incorporate a lot of flavor into your food. Boil your chicken with lots of spices so that you can have a really nice flavor in your salad, particularly when you are trying to lose weight and you don't want to add too many or so much salad dressing that can be fattening. And let's not downplay it, but fat tastes really good, and that's just the truth. But when you're trying to lose weight, you're trying to cut down on that, there are other ways you have to think of flavoring your food. So here I'm just showing you one of the options. And hey, I'm just slicing, and I've sliced all of my chicken. So now I'm just going to mix up the salad itself, just incorporate all the ingredients together. So there's our salad, and we're just going to start mixing our salad now. I'm just going to put the quantity that I would like to eat in a bowl. And then we're just going to spread our chicken all over the salad. I'm sure you guys can see the pomegranates in the background there. You can choose not to add this fruit into your salad. I really like it because it just gives little bursts of sweetness into the salad. As you know, pomegranate is very nice and juicy. If you want, you can add a little bit of strawberries just for some extra color and just to make it look really nice. So yeah, here's my pomegranate. I'm just going to sprinkle this on top, and guys, like, the taste was so good. It was so good. And then with that pink peppercorns, the flavor, the very fruity flavor, and then the peppery taste of it, and then the heat from the Cameroun pepper, it was just really, really delicious. Like, this is a great meal if you're trying to lose weight and not trying to eat heavy in the evenings. It's a fantastic way to sort of keep your calories on the low. So here it is, guys. Here it is. Enjoy.